Imagine this. You walk up to a girl, say a few words, and suddenly, her interest in you skyrockets. Sounds like a magic trick, right? But it's not. The truth is, there's a specific way of starting a conversation that instantly builds attraction. In today's video, we're breaking down exactly why this approach works, what to say, and how to have her looking at you like, wow, I want to know more about him. Stay tuned, because once you know this, you'll never start a conversation the same way again. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the art of conversation, and specifically, how you can start a conversation in a way that makes women feel instantly connected and attracted to you. We'll go through why this approach works, examples you can use, and common mistakes to avoid. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start conversations that leave a lasting impression. Ready? Let's get started. 1. The secret behind engaging openers. Starting a conversation is like setting the stage. It's all about creating intrigue. Women are most attracted to conversations that feel different, engaging, and a little mysterious. An ideal opener does more than just start a conversation. It builds curiosity. This is why a generic, "Hey, how are you?" often falls flat. It's not that it's bad, but it lacks that spark that grabs attention. Instead, try something that's specific and a little playful. 2. Using observational starters. Be in the moment. One of the best ways to start a conversation is by using what's called an observational starter. This means commenting on something in the immediate environment. It's natural, it shows you're attentive, and it's a great way to open up without pressure. "Hey, I have to ask, what did you order? That looks interesting." This instantly gives you something to talk about, and it's not intrusive. She can respond comfortably, and you've set the conversation on an easygoing path. 3. Be genuine, but add a dash of humor. Humor is one of the quickest ways to build rapport. If you can add a lighthearted comment, you're showing her that you're easygoing and comfortable in your own skin. "Hey, that's one adorable dog. I think he's stealing all the attention here, and I'm starting to get a little jealous." It's playful, it's harmless, and it immediately brings down any defenses. Humor shows confidence, and women often find confidence irresistible. 4. Ask thoughtful questions that show depth. When you ask questions that go beyond the surface, you instantly stand out. Instead of the usual, "What do you do?" try asking something that invites her to share a bit about her passions. Instead of asking what she does, say something like, "So, what's something exciting you're working on right now?" This kind of question is open-ended, giving her room to share something that genuinely matters to her. This makes her feel like you're truly interested in who she is beyond the surface, and when a woman feels understood, she's naturally more likely to feel connected and attracted. 5. Be curious, not interrogative. There's a fine line between showing interest and coming across as overly inquisitive. Women want to feel like you're genuinely curious about them, not that you're running down a checklist. Keep it light. If you ask a question, listen actively to her response. Don't just move to the next question. Respond with something thoughtful. It shows you're paying attention. 6. Express a sense of adventure. Everyone loves a good story, and if you can drop a hint about your adventurous side, it creates intrigue. You don't have to have climbed Mount Everest. It can be something as simple as trying a new hobby or sharing a funny experience. "So, I just tried rock climbing last week for the first time, and let's just say, my arms are still sore." This hints at a spontaneous side, and it's a fun conversation starter. Women are often drawn to men who have a sense of adventure. It makes you come across as fun and open to new experiences. 7. Be comfortable with silence. It's powerful. One of the most underrated aspects of attraction is being comfortable with silence. When you don't rush to fill every pause, you show confidence and a level of ease that can be very attractive. When you're not in a hurry to fill every pause, it gives her a chance to think, respond thoughtfully, and it shows you're present. Silence isn't awkward unless you make it so. Use it to your advantage. 8. Give sincere, unique compliments. Everyone loves a good compliment, but here's the catch. it has to be sincere. And if you can make it specific, it feels even more meaningful. I noticed you have a really unique style. It's refreshing. You definitely stand out in a good way. This kind of compliment shows you're observant, and it's something more than the typical, "you're beautiful." Compliments like these are thoughtful and show that you're paying attention to who she is as a person. 9. Stay authentic. Don't try to impress. One of the biggest mistakes guys make is trying too hard to impress. Whether it's talking about achievements or showing off, it can come off as inauthentic. Women appreciate a guy who is comfortable with himself and doesn't feel the need to put on a show. The best conversations happen when you're being genuine. Let your personality shine through, and don't worry about being overly impressive. Authenticity is always attractive. 10. Let the conversation flow naturally. Finally, don't overthink it. The best conversations are the ones that flow naturally, without feeling forced. When you're relaxed, she'll feel at ease too. Approach each conversation with the mindset of getting to know her rather than trying to make her like you. When you're just enjoying the moment, it's contagious, and she'll feel that ease and confidence too. There you have it. 10 ways to start a conversation that will instantly capture her interest. Remember, it's all about being genuine, staying present, and adding a little playfulness. Practice these tips, and you'll notice a shift in the way people respond to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on dating, confidence, and connecting with others. Comment below which tip you're excited to try next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.